Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to make the sideboard. Start with the reference image, as usual. You can see it's very simple. Let's start with one leg. Make a line and give it a square profile. Now convert it to editable poly. Connect the long edges and move the resulting loop up. Connect again and move down. And one more loop here. Now select the polygon on the side and extrude it. Extrude it again. And the one on the side here. Delete these polygons. Use bridge on resulting hole borders. Enter the top view and clone this object up by Shift plus dragging. Select one of the models and use Attach on the other one. Now select these polygons and bridge them. Activate the snap with S key and make a plane like this. Convert it to editable poly. Select all edges by press Ctrl plus A and extrude them with 0 height and small width. Convert your selection to faces and delete them. Now add shell modifier. Convert to editable poly and chamfer all edges a little bit. Make a small sphere for the handles. Now that we have one half ready, group everything together and add symmetry modifier. Now chamfering all edges on the framing. And it's done.